Hey everybody, Brian from Colorado Cultures here. Just wanted to welcome you back. I know it's been a little bit, but it's been a real busy couple of months. But we wanted to kind of show you some new products and how you can use them and how you can use them fast and proper. So today we're going to show you our new all-in-ones. So these guys, usually you'll see they have grain on the bottom and they have some substrate on the top. They'll have you inoculate on the bottom and just let it kind of colonize naturally. Here at Colorado Cultures, we've learned how to speed up the process a lot faster. So as you can see, our grain and substrate has been mixed, and we're going to show you actually how we inoculate two bags, one that we don't shake and one that we do shake, and see what the difference is in speed of time frame and how fast we can get those pins to actually develop. So let me show you how that inoculation actually works. We're going to take our syringe, just like normal. We're going to want to shake that bad boy up. Get that culture all nice and dispersed all throughout that syringe. Oh, I forgot. I'm going to have to get my alcohol. Got to have clean hands. So, clean my hands. Get my needle ready. Take my syringe cap off. Put that guy on there. And as you see, I'm going to keep the cap on there, and I'm not going to flame sterilize it because it has been sterilized already in the package. So, take my 99.9% alcohol, and I'm going to spray my ports right here. All right. Now, as those are going to be evaporating, I'm going to shake my syringe just one more time. Take the cap off. Now we're going to do this very fast. Half in there. Half in there. Okay. Take that guy out. Take that needle. Cap it back. Get rid of it. All right. Now, we're going to show you the difference. I'm going to shake this guy. And normally you think, oh man, I'm going to get the patch all dirty. Might cause contamination. Well, you know, we thought that kind of too at first, but we tried a few different ways, and we found when we do it like this, we can get bags to actually colonize in about 10 to 14 days, and then they're ready to use. So just to show you the difference, that's the shooken one, this is the non-shooken one. Here are two examples of a non-shooken one. And then here's two examples of ones that we have shook. All done on the same day. As you can see, these guys are a lot faster than these guys. So, I'm going to show you the next step to get to your fruiting stage. So, we're going to set these guys down here. Now, let's take this guy right here. Now, you're going to want to take a rubber band, okay? I'm gonna wrap that guy right below your substrate surface. About an inch, half an inch to an inch. You want it to kind of cut off the air, so only there's air coming up at the top. Now, we're going to basically take one of our scalpels or a bag cutter, and we're gonna clean that guy real quick. Basically, just gonna take this, make a little cut right there. Sometimes it's a little rough, it's okay. Just like that, okay? Put that guy away. Now we're gonna take our micropore tape and we're just gonna cover up those slits. I always like to make it nice and wide, so the part that I put on top of my holes is actually clean. Okay, just like that. All right, I'm gonna do that one more time. Around the back end right there. And this is simulating a monotub. So your fresh air is going to be absorbed from the bottom, and it's going to push all your old CO2 out of the patch on top. And then in a couple weeks, you're going to have something that's going to look like this. And you can see how we have little pins starting to develop all over the place. So In a few more days, these will all be mature and you'll have some mushrooms that you can actually harvest and you can cook and eat and store if you would like. So next time you need something, check us out here at Colorado Cultures and find one of our all new, all-in-one bags. We'll see you next time. Much love.